In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach the files onto your email in AOL. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the attach button on the bottom of your email here, and then you can attach files from recent emails you've received or attach files from your computer. Make your selection, and then you can go navigate to wherever that may be on your computer, and then select open to then save and attach it to your AOL account. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.